Okay, my friend, okay, you can see now in our city already dark. And here I will send you the view, what is the performance of the night vision goggles. It's very clear. And another one. And in the dark night, see the green. The white. Hello, let me introduce how to use this one night vision goggles. At first, if you are in the daylight, suggest to put the lens cover. If you are in the dark environment, you can remove the lens cover. And you can see this one is a white phosphor, and you can turn it. You see, this one is shut down, and back it can work normally. You see, this one, the back, and let me show both. Okay, you see, but once you back, you see, it can work normally. Okay, thank you. My friend, let me introduce what included in one side about the night vision goggles. And first, night vision goggles. Okay, this one. Soft carry bag, backup battery books. The helmet attachment can suitable for the tactical helmet or the soft helmet. Air cap. The battery cable, backup battery cable for the night vision binocular, and the foldable helmet, soft helmet. Clean clothes, the carry box.